Welcome to Fix Your Apps. This video is on how to access age-restricted channels on Discord on Android step by step. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more tech tips and tricks. Step 1. First, close the Discord app on your Android device. This step is important because we'll be using the web version of Discord, and you don't want the app interfering. Step 2. Open a web browser on your Android device. You can use Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser of your choice. Step 3. In the search bar, type Discord web app and hit search. Look for the official site in the search results. Step 4. Locate and click on the link that says discordapp.com or discord.com. This will take you to the official Discord web app. Step 5. If clicking the link automatically opens the Discord app instead of the browser, here's a quick fix. Hold your finger on the link and a menu will pop up. From there, select Open in a new tab, to ensure it stays within the browser. Step 6. Once you're on the web app, log into your Discord account using your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as well. Step 7. After logging in, tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the menu. Step 8. Scroll all the way down and tap on your profile picture or username. This will take you to the Settings section. Step 9. In Settings, look for the Privacy and Safety option and tap on it. Step 10. Scroll down in the Privacy and Safety section until you find the option to allow access to age-restricted servers. It might say something like, Enable access to age-restricted content. Step 11. Toggle that option to enable it. And that's it. You've successfully allowed access to age-restricted channels on Discord using your Android device. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.